Yes, your poor kidneys. Imagine that your kidneys are being destroyed every day because of your wrong daily habits, and you escape from the causes of kidney failure only to collide with viruses and bacteria until you find them in the hospital in very critical condition. Instead of being on the beach relaxing with a delicious, refreshing drink instead of medication, beware of 10 wrong habits that destroy your kidneys.
HealthyShot channel provides brief and useful health information, focusing on the problem, causes, complications, and optimal solutions to health problems. If you enjoy the content, please like and subscribe for updates.
You can't heal your kidneys if you do these 10 habits every day. Imagine waking up one day realizing that every seemingly innocent habit you've maintained is secretly damaging your kidneys. Shocking, right? But here's the reality. Your kidneys, those small but mighty organs, work tirelessly to filter waste, balance your body's fluids, and keep your blood pressure in check. Yet certain daily practices, habits we rarely give a second thought to, could be undermining this vital organ's health. If you're serious about maintaining or even healing your kidneys, it's crucial to know what could be working against you. In today's video, we're uncovering the top 10 daily habits that could be silently sabotaging your kidney health. These aren't just minor slip-ups. They're habits you need to break if you want to avoid the risks of chronic kidney disease. So stay tuned as we count down from 10 to 1, with the most damaging habit revealed at the end. 1. Holding in urine. Regularly ignoring the urge to urinate can stretch your bladder, leading to infections and kidney stones. Always respond to your body's signals. 2. Overusing painkillers. Frequent use of NSAIDs like ibuprofen can impair kidney function, leading to conditions like analgesic nephropathy. Use pain relief sparingly and consult a healthcare provider if needed. 3. Not drinking enough water. Dehydration makes it harder for your kidneys to filter waste, increasing the risk of kidney stones. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily. Consuming too much salt. High sodium intake strains your kidneys and raises blood pressure, a major risk factor for kidney disease, so it's important to limit processed foods and choose fresh ingredients. Eating processed foods. These foods often contain unhealthy ingredients that can harm your kidneys. Instead, focus on a balanced diet rich in whole foods. Ignoring high blood pressure. Hypertension can damage kidney blood vessels over time. To manage it, rely on a good diet, regular exercise, and consistent monitoring. Consuming excess sugar can have serious consequences. High sugar intake can lead to obesity and diabetes, both of which are, well, detrimental to kidney health. It's important to cut back on sugary snacks and drinks to protect your kidneys. Smoking. Tobacco use harms kidney function and increases the risk of kidney cancer. Quitting smoking can significantly improve your kidney health. Drinking too much alcohol. Excessive alcohol puts stress on your kidneys and can lead to dehydration and chronic kidney issues. Limit intake to recommended guidelines. Neglecting diabetes management. Uncontrolled diabetes is the leading cause of chronic kidney disease. Regularly monitor blood sugar and comply with treatment plans. Awareness of these habits is crucial for maintaining kidney health. By making simple lifestyle changes, you can significantly improve your kidney function and overall well-being. For more health tips, consider downloading the free ebook linked in the video description. Also, don't forget to check your free electronic book download. You can find the link in the description below. These electronic books will help you so much to eliminate stubborn belly fat and bad cholesterol, which can damage your kidneys. This free electronic book supports your journey to better health. If this video helped you understand the importance of protecting your kidneys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more health tips from HealthyShot channel. Stay informed, stay healthy with HealthyShot. Stay informed and take care of your kidneys.